Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back to your Turkish journey. If you are really interested in learning Turkish and you want to build a solid foundation, this channel is here for you. I try to explain things in a clear and structured way, step by step, so that you can understand how Turkish actually works and start using it naturally. We focus on real examples, real usage, and the logic behind the language. If you enjoy learning this way and would like to help me continue creating structured Turkish lessons, you can join the channel. Your support allows me to spend more time creating new lessons and improving the content for everyone. And of course, just being here, learning Turkish, and being a part of this community is already a great support. Thank you, and I will see you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.